I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. Thank you for always supporting us. Thank you for always being there watching our videos. We don't take your support for granted. I do cherish your support and the time you spend in watching our videos. Today we are showing you the mammoth crowd that welcomed the Anambra State Governor Professor Chukwuma Soludo into Onitsha, not just Onitsha, into Niger Street Road, Onitsha, Anambra State, Nigeria. And it was a period of merrymaking and gladness for these people who have suffered so much because of the bad state of the roads in the area. And they don't hide their excitement because they have suffered enough. So Niger Street in Onitsha is just close to the riverbank of Onitsha, which is a great site to, to build something and to renew the city of Onitsha, the great city, the metropolitan city of Onitsha, one of Nigeria's famous cities and popular cities. You cannot count 3 cities in Nigeria without counting Onitsha. Onitsha has been known for decades and years. So, and this is the governor coming there to look at the completed road because the road has been completed by the contractor. Sorry about the. So this is Niger Street. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Onitsha South. Niger Street, Kaino, Niger Street. Actually, the contractor because of draw fast. I was I need a second chance. I need a second chance, so well, if you can happen. Hello, welcome back. Soludo has been great in Onitsha because he been doing all sorts of roles in Onitsha metropolitan city in Nigeria, in Anambra State of Nigeria, West Africa. And for those that are not aware, Anambra State has many cities, which Onitsha is included. Onitsha is one of the most famous cities in Nigeria, very populous, loads of people. Is according to the Demo Africa, the population of Onitsha is now over 10 million people living in the 5 local government that make up that metropolitan and cosmopolitan city of um, Onitsha. And over the years, the city has actually struggled with road infrastructure because most of the government in Nigeria has neglected this city. In spite of the viability of this city and ingenuity of the businessmen and the people in this city, it has been neglected like Nigeria always does to itself. So that's since the coming to power by the erudite professor of economics, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, as the executive governor of the state, he promised and most of the time and often said, I will turn the city into African Dubai, Taiwan. And when he says this and keep on repeating it, people were jokingly mocking him and said, I don't think you are going to do that. Ujiono Ebuoji. Some of the people were saying that he is just not going to do it. But does remain to be seen. Is something of discussion next time. But today he visited Niger Drive. Yesterday, sorry. And today he also come to this Iweka Road. But we are going to talk about this Niger Street that was recently completed. This Niger Street is very, very vital if the state knows how to make that city truly a mega city. So, I am Kodili-nye. Remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe, remember to come to the comment section and we'll discuss more. We are discussing about this uh, Niger Streets that was completed. In the beginning of this video, you saw that this one is Iweka Road that is still under construction. But why I'm bringing this thing is what the state government can do that will make Onitsha a truly a mega city and make it very, very wonderful. That Niger Street, when he started that, I was the opinion that he need to dualize that Niger Street through this avenue, and he need to dualize into falling this avenue, joining it to Iweka, which is dualizing. And the other side of Niger Street goes through Main Market also. And the other side through the expressway, building a bridge, a flyover bridge that will run across that Enugu Onitsha expressway at that head bridge into Atani Road. So, but the government did not do like that. They did the road, but they did not dualize that Niger Street, which if he would have done so, would have actually changed Onitsha for good. And another road he should have also dualized is the Port Harcourt Road. Although the road look very wide, but he should have dualized it, expanding it a little more, and doing the needful of crossing it over the Opiweka Dam flyover to going to MCC. This is how you create a different city altogether. When people come in there, they will be thinking, wow. So he need to do a wow factor in Onitsha. So thank you very much for always joining us. Remember, we started about the Niger Strait that is completed, the visit of Soludo into Niger Strait, Onitsha, Nigeria. Thank you. Remember to subscribe. I see you in the next